create a new campaign, we need to click on the New Campaign Wizard button. When you click on the button, this is going to give you a choice of either creating a blast campaign or a drip campaign. We're going to do a blast campaign as our first example. To create a blast campaign, we come over here and we click on Blast Campaign. Some of the characteristics of blast campaigns you need to be aware of is you're going to use one template and it's going to go out to an audience on a specific date. Okay, so there's a set date, there's one template, and you're going to define who you're going to send it to. So that's what a blast campaign is about. All campaigns are automatically named New Campaign and the date. So you probably want to change that. So if this is a new product announcement, give it a name that you can recognize so other people using the system will know what it's about. Now these other two fields are just for sorting purposes. Of course, I'm the owner, and you're welcome to include a description. Once you define these things, we click Next. This takes us to the next page, which is our list. Who are we going to send this email to? Now we could choose an existing list, or you have the ability to create a new list here. For this particular information, we're just going to go ahead and do newsletter recipients. Once I've selected the list, the next step is to identify which template are we sending. Well, if this is a new product announcement, we go to our Widget LLC template library and we look for the particular template we want to send. In this case, let's just say that the Elegant Black is the template we're going to send. Once we select our template, the next thing that's going to happen is the window is going to open up and it's going to show us the template we've selected. So this is one of our templates that I've imported from a collection. It would obviously need to be modified to do a new product announcement. So let's give this a description. And you need to include an email subject. So we want to announce our new mega widget. Now if you want to go ahead and change your template, you just follow the same procedure as you do for creating a new template. This is our HTML editor here, and our template is down below. Here's our merge keywords on the left. So if you want to use any of those pieces inside your template, you go ahead and change it right now, and that will modify the template. Once you're done making the changes that you want, you go ahead and submit that. We're now at the page where the wizard is almost complete. It's giving us an overview of our campaign. We call this New Product Announcement. It tells us who we're sending this to, and it tells us which template we're going to send. The only thing we need to do at this point is schedule this campaign. So when we click on the Next button, it's going to bring up a window that's going to ask us, when do we want to send this? There's three options. We can send this blast campaign to processing right now, which will put this in the queue to go out to all your list as soon as possible. It'll process it immediately. You can schedule the delivery for a different day. So say you wanted this to go out at the very end of the month. You could schedule it for the last day of the month. You can choose your date by clicking on the date picker, which brings up a little calendar, and then you just choose the date you want to send it out. And that fills in the date field. Or the last option is to create this blast campaign as a draft. In other words, you're not sure when you want to send it out, but it's ready to go. So if you create it as draft only and submit this, what we'll have to do later is go to the blast campaign and then send it to processing. So once we've completed that, we come back to the New Campaign Wizard. If we open up the marketing area, you'll see that our new product announcement is right here. Now if you did create this as a draft and you've now decided you need to send it out, all you have to do is click on the name of the campaign and send it to processing. The to processing link is right here, and that'll process this immediately. So that's how you create a blast campaign. Again, the things to keep in mind with a blast campaign: it's one template to defined audience on a specific date.